Katie broke up with Regina, and guess what? He still doesn't want you. So why are you still messing with Regina, Katie? I'll tell you why. Because you are a mean girl. You're a bitch.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl XO coming to you with another video. Today I'm bringing you this Janis Ian inspired makeup look in celebration of October 3rd, which is Mean Girls Day. And if you don't know Mean Girls Day, it's the day Aaron Samuels turns around and asks Katie what the date is, and she responds with, it's October 3rd.
On October 3rd, he asked me what day it was.
It's October 3rd.
And I wanted to do a look inspired by Janis Ian because I feel like she's so underappreciated every year on Mean Girls Day. So that's why I did this look, because she's freaking awesome and I don't understand why she doesn't get the props that she deserves. Before we move on, just keep in mind this is all part of my HallowsEve. So I'm posting up a video, a Halloween inspired video every 2 days this month. So definitely tune in for that. Anyway, let's jump right into this video.
So if you're from Africa, why are you white?
Oh my god, Karen, you can't just ask people why they're white. So fetch.
Gretchen, stop trying to make fetch happen. It's not going to happen.
Now I guess she's on crack.
I want to lose 3 pounds.
You're crazy.
I'm sick.
Boo, you whore.
One time, she punched me in the face. It was awesome.
What's happening? You gotta get my drink, that's right. Shake your ass to the state, that's right.
So you agree? What? You think you're really pretty? Oh, I don't know.
My drink, that's right. Shake your ass to the state, that's right. On the beat, that's right. Put it down for the streets, that's right.
I can put my whole fist in my mouth. Wanna see?
Nice wig, Janis. What's it made of?
Your mom's chest hair.
Jeffrey Dawn. Touch my car, break in my car, you will hear like Bert R. I've been a superstar since Daddy King was born. Live on stage, come on and give me some applause. Thank you, oh thank you, you all are so wonderful. Just shake that, move it all around, spank that, yank that, Dutch back now. Freak him, freak her, whatever your choice. Didn't come to judge, I came to.
She doesn't even go here.
That is the ugliest effing skirt I've ever seen.
Alright, so this is the finished look of my Janis Ian inspired makeup look for Mean Girls Day, which is October 3rd. If you don't know, now you know. I also added like a little clip here because I feel like Janis Ian has like more silver in her hair and stuff like that, stuff that actually stands out, so that's why I added that. This is the finished look. Very simple, very easy, very straight to the point. If you want to wear like very artistic shirts, she usually wears oversized band tees and like long sleeve shirts, so definitely do that as well. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you like what you saw and you saw what you liked. Also hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be in this corner or this corner right there. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in again, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.
I guess it's probably because I've got a big lesbian crush on you. Suck on that!